Hello guys and welcome back to the market. So it was, if you remember, last Monday or before Monday, it was doom and gloom and everything is going to go down. The stocks is going to be the darkest Monday of 2026 and whatever. And I said it's going to be bullshit. It's not going to happen. And you can see what happened on Monday. Just just a little red candle, and that was supposed to be the darkest Monday of the, yeah, not this one, not this one, not here. So does it look like anything happened? No, it doesn't. That's on SPX. And let's check the Bitcoin price. Little red candle, but nothing compared to when Michael Saylor sold Bitcoins, even the 32 Bitcoins. And yeah, it's more doom and gloom, and it's just bad news. Everything is down, everything. So if you're not buying now, you're an idiot, because that's the bottom. That's basically, you need to, that's the accumulation period. If that's not the accumulation period, then when is it? Now let's see more doom and gloom news. So President Trump just said about Iran in an interview, sometimes you need a ground campaign, so boots on the ground, but this is extremely bad for the markets. Yeah, at least on the short term, because it won't happen. I believe it will not happen. It's just a circus, and once the circus is ending, the market will go up. And now is the time to accumulate, basically. So let's read a few more posts and see what the circus says. So breaking reports indicate a massive escalation of, as over 500 missiles are fired at Iran. Major fires reported across Tehran. This one is from Israel military, and we have here Ivanka Trump on the next post saying the same thing. Basically, reports indicate a massive over 500 missiles that are fired at Iran. And yeah, so let's see. The next one is also about the same circus. Iran has a chilling warning. Trump at 6 p.m. Oil is flowing, Hormuz is open for everyone except Iran. Iran at 7 p.m. Not one drop of oil or gas leaves the region while Trump's aggression continues. Which is a normal response, and the circus will not happen. It will happen that the circus will stop before the midterms. I believe that. But until the midterms, we still have accumulation period. But Trump has to do something to win the midterms, and those guys know it. They simply know it, and they will use it as leverage to, in the war, in the negotiations, and yeah. So the next one is also, this ship was given clearance to pass the strait by US without even coordinating with the IRGC. So now they struck it with something, rockets or some sort of I don't know, they hit it anyway. So the next one is supposedly good news. Iran is accepting Bitcoin for transit through the Strait of Hormuz. $1 per barrel paid in Bitcoin, yuan, or stable coins. 21 million barrels flow through Hormuz daily. That's up to $21 million potential per day on crypto demand. I don't know what to say about this, because they will not, it's not like everyone will just start paying in crypto. 7 billion 600 million per year from one waterway. I don't know what to say about this. I think they will keep negotiating and keep fighting for now. However, it's possible, but I don't think everyone will just pay in Bitcoin right now. Some might, but some will not. So this isn't symbolic, isn't the first time in history when a sovereign nation has used Bitcoin as a state-level revenue mechanism. Yeah, that's something. It's something, but it's not. You have to go in the middle. Don't go in one extreme, like, oh, everyone is going to start using Bitcoin or everyone is going to deny it. It's just going to go up and down. It's going to flow through different countries, and they will stop or they will start again using it, or stuff like this. However, everything is now doom and gloom, and you should look what you can accumulate this period, because if you don't accumulate this period, you can just go out and break rocks or something, because the opportunity has passed, at least until the next bottom range, which will be in 4 years again. Now it's your chance. So this one is from Coin Bureau. The IRGC declares Strait of Hormuz closed until American hostilities end. Iran's IRGC via a statement tonight: the retaliatory operations of our warriors continue as the Strait of Hormuz will remain closed until the end of American hostilities. The export of oil and gas from the region will be either for everyone or for none. That's expected. That's expected. The US doesn't realize that they are fighting an ancient empire that was like, I think, a few hundred years, 600 or 800 years, I'm not sure, before Christ, when Iran started existing as Persia, but anyway, they changed the name, and it's harder than Iraq or Venezuela. They hit a rock there while digging for oil. Let's say like that. And the last post is from Crypto Reviewing. Yesterday, Bitcoin dumped from 64 to 61, liquidating 524 million. And today, Bitcoin immediately pumped back above 64k, liquidating another 247 million, which is something. So it's 771 million total crypto liquidations in less than 24 hours. Now 67k has a sizable liquidity that could be swept next, potentially leading to continuation higher. 6062 has a slightly larger liquidation cluster stacked up. So yeah, it's a lot of leverage. It's a lot of leverage on Bitcoin, and we are now at 64,500 as I'm filming this, which is interesting. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Be careful now, when everyone thinks crypto is dead and everything is dead. Now is the time to check what you can buy, what opportunities there are on the market, and if you're not checking your possibilities now, then you will just miss your chance. Don't wait for a lower low, because we already had a few lower lows, and when the train change is coming, it might be abruptly, and you will just miss the train if you're not careful now. Anyway, let me know your opinions in the comment section, and see you in the next one.